Huawei is one of the enormous names that will have a nearness at MWC 2018 in under 7 days. Yet unfortunately, you shouldn't anticipate that another lead will be disclosed at the extensive public expo. It has been affirmed for some time now that the third biggest cell phone maker will uncover its lead gadgets for the year, the Huawei P20 and P20 Plus, at a different occasion that will happen on March 27th. That is over a month from now. However, in any event, we as of now have a really smart thought why we ought to be energized and what's in store from these two troopers. Huawei is one of the enormous names that will have a nearness at MWC 2018 in under 7 days.